Student, today we will complete our game, that is Tree is Our Life. We have already completed the coding of background and buttons. Now we will start the coding of Java Plum Tree. Click on Java Plum Tree. Now first go to event section, drag this command, check the coordinate of that tree. Look at the coordinate here. Use go to x-axis and y-axis command. Now go to control section, use forever loop. You know that these four trees should be present only on landscape background, that is when the backdrop screen variable have a value 1, 2, 3 and 4, then these trees should be shown on the screen. Okay, to making this condition, first you go to control section, use if else command here, then go to operator, use and operator, then use greater than command and then less than command. Attach this command here. Go to variable section, use backdrop screen variable. Again, if backdrop screen variable have greater than 0 value, and less than 5 value, that means we have considered 1, 2, 3 and 4 number for the backdrop screen variable, then this tree should be shown on the screen. Go to look section and choose show command here, and otherwise this should be hide. Okay, what happen when this tree is planted? What happen when this tree is planted on the land? There are four options: high wind, industrial, soil erosion and coastal. There are four options where Java Plum Tree can be planted, but in this one is the right option and other three options are wrong option. Okay, for this we have considered for if then command. Control section, use for if then command, then go to sensor section and use touch command here. Here we make a logic that when Java Plum Tree touching on high wind landscape, industrial, soil erosion and coastal, what should happen? Choosing for option here: high wind, industrial, soil erosion and coastal. Okay, you know that Java Plum Tree should be placed or implanted on high wind landscape, that is first option is the right option and remaining three options are wrong option. In this case, in all four cases, the tree should be wait for 1 second after touching the landscape. For waiting command, use to go to control section, use wait for 1 second command here. Next and now again. After waiting 1 second, this tree should be come back to original position. Then go to motion section. You know that the original position of this tree is that. Now I want to add a extra feature here that when I choose right option, then there should be a sound of clapping, otherwise there should be a sound of bong. To adding the sound, click on sound option, add this command start sound pop. For right option, choose clapping, this one clapping. If this clapping is not shown on your window, use that option, add new sound. Here clapping option is present. Okay, click on add clapping sound, press OK. For wrong option, I want to add a bong sound here. Same process for remaining 3 loops. Add bong sound. For adding bong sound, click on plus add new sound. Type here bong. You can add here any sound as you want. Now all these set of commands are placed under the show command and then save it. These all steps should be repeated for all remaining 3 trees. For this, you can copy all these commands by touching near the van. When you touch, this box will automatically open. Choose copy to other sprite. Go to banyan tree. Touch here for 1 second. This box will automatically open. Paste to this sprite. Same process should be followed for Tecumseh tree and neem tree also. Now there is a requirement to modify this code for banyan tree, Tecumseh and neem tree. You know that first we check the parameters, that is coordinate of banyan tree. Banyan tree have x-axis is same coordinate but y-axis is 22. Replace that 22. Here should also 22, then 22, 22. Fine. One more thing, that for banyan tree, right option is industrial landscape. Then replace high wind landscape. Look at here, replace high wind landscape with industrial landscape. And also add clapping sound here. Okay, Industrial is wrong option. It's okay. No, industrial is right option to replace industrial with high wind. Okay, and this is the right option, and here the clapping sound is present, and remaining 3 are the wrong option where bong sound are present. High wind, soil erosion and coastal, these 3 are wrong option. Then save it. Same modification should be done in tachometer. First, check it is parameter. X is same and Y is minus 26. Replace it with minus 26. Minus 26. Minus 26. Now, for tachometer, right option is soil erosion. The first is the right option. Replace high wind with soil erosion. And where soil erosion, this is the right option. Replace here. Replace it with high wind. Okay. Check carefully. Industrial, high wind and coastal, these 3 are wrong option, and here bingo's bong sound is present, and soil erosion the right option, there the clapping sound is present. Okay, same modification is done in name tree also. The name tree, check it the coordinate, the parameter. Here the coordinate of y-axis is minus 137. Replace with minus 137. Again minus 137. Minus 137. Minus 137. And here also this is last minus 137. Okay, then for name tree, right option is the coastal. Then replace high wind with coastal, and below the coastal is present, coastal replace with high wind. Okay, then save it. Now start coding with soil patches. First I start with high wind soil patches. First I start with high wind soil patches. Go to, check out their parameter. Okay, this is my high wind soil patches, and you can change its position. Remember that all the soil patches should be placed separately. Don't place over and over it. Okay, and that size, look at here, I have considered that the soil patches are the size is 70. Okay, you can adjust the size of soil patches according to your choice. Now first command is when flag click, then go to motion section, go to x-axis and y-axis command. Now use forever command, go to control section, use forever loop. You know that there are 4 options for a soil patches there, because there are 4 trees. Any tree can be placed a player can place any tree on this soil patches. Okay, that means we have 4 option here. Use in which one is right option and other 3 are wrong option.